Okay, y'all, as you can see, I made us a couple of ghetto burgers. Y'all don't know nothing about that. Ghetto burgers. Look at that beautiful white, beautiful view. This is our first burger in the Dominican Republic. Had to share that moment with y'all. Baby. First ghetto burger in the Dominican Republic. Look at that view, y'all. I love it. Enjoy. You see that beautiful view? And then you see that beautiful view? But what about that beautiful view? These ghetto burgers I just whipped up. 1/4 pound of ground beef. Look at the salt and the black pepper seasoned into it with a little cheddar. 3 pickles to be exact. A little ketchup and light mayo on that good old colonial bread. Yeah, I'm gonna tear the edges off. You already know. Best ghetto burger you're gonna find. It's in my kitchen. We out. Hang with the Bonds.